You're trying to get your money out of California. You want to put it into like a more stable. It's pretty crazy to say that Cleveland, Ohio is providing you a more stable investment than California. But at the moment, that's kind of how it seems. Am I right? Places like Cleveland where you could pick up a property for $49.9, do some renovations. This one, you're probably looking at like $25,000, $35,000, $40,000, depending on how you do the renovation, and then getting yourself a government-guaranteed Section 8 tenant at $1,200, right? Welcome to the Investment Properties for Sale Show, folks. Thing is selling at or above list. We are going to provide you guys with complete transparency and education. We take you to the video tour, HoltonWise TV, giving it to you straight. All right, y'all, got a nice rehab for you. This one be perfect for those of you that are down to do Section 8, okay? 16217 Walden Ave, Cleveland, coming to you at $49.9. And if you were to renovate this and put some Section 8 tenants in there, folks, the numbers are amazing. We're able to get like $1,200 in rent. Government guaranteed rent out of a $50,000 house. That's why the Midwest, places like Cleveland, Ohio, they're so attractive to out-of-state investors, right? You got all the investors in California right now. Like, they got their money burning a hole in their pocket to invest in Cleveland. Also, not to mention, they got their money burning a hole in their fucking house because the whole goddamn state's on fire right now. That felt a little aggressive. Probably too soon to hit y'all with that, but that's just the nature of the beast right now, okay? Taking all that money that's in California real estate, folks, a lot of it is going out of California because it's not sustainable, right? What are you going to do with your $2 million house if it's going to burn down every 10 years and you can't even get an insurance policy? You have all the big insurers, like in the last 4 years, California property insurance, they've canceled, the carriers have canceled like 2 to 3 million homeowners insurance policies because due to global warming, and a lot of the things that the current administration has done to reduce spending, right? Like, I've seen that Gavin Newsom actually cut firefighting spending in California by as much as $100 million, right? So these companies, they're not stupid. They have to make money. Insurance is just math, guys. The policies and the premiums, right? They need to turn a profit or else the company's not going to work there, right? So with the reduction in how they're fighting these fires in California and the fact that California is basically the only state that has control over how much insurers can charge when they increase premiums because, like, they have to reassess. Like, oh, we get crazy wildfires all the time now. This is going to be the cost we have to build. If the premiums don't cover that cost and a little bit of profit, they have to go out of business, right? So that's what's happening. Companies are moving out. 2 to 3 million policies have been canceled in California in the last 4 years, right? And then right now you got the whole damn state on friggin' fire. They're estimating $10 to $15 billion worth of damage, right? So a lot of Californians getting their money out of places like that because they can't get coverage and you can't rebuild your $2 million, $3 million, $4 million house every 10 years because it caught on fire. It's just not possible, okay? So you got those folks moving a lot of that money out to places like Cleveland where you could pick up a property for $49.9, do some renovations. This one, you're probably looking at like $25,000, $35,000, $40,000, depending on how you do the renovation, and then getting yourself a government-guaranteed Section 8 tenant at $1,200, right? If that makes sense to you. You're trying to get your money out of California. You want to put it into like a more stable. It's pretty crazy to say that Cleveland, Ohio is providing you a more stable investment than California, but at the moment, that's kind of how it seems. Am I right? If that makes sense to you and you're interested in making an offer on this property, just go ahead and send that offer to my team. sales@HoltonWise.com. If before you put in the offer you want to tour it with your contractor, the person will be handling the rehab for you, that's totally cool with us. Just let us know and we'll get you in for a tour so you can do your line-by-line bid, because I'm thinking, again, anywhere between like 25 and 40K depending on how nice you make this rehab and how much you're paying for labor and whatnot, right? Sales@HoltonWise.com to get the info on how to get you in the house. We'll get you in the house so you reach out to us today, right? We'll get you in the house same day, as long as you hit us up before 5 o'clock. If not, we'll get you in there next day, and then you could submit your offers that way too. And before I let you go, what I want you to do now is actually just stick around, and I'm going to provide you with the complete tour, like you've been seeing some clips while I've been talking, I'm going to give you that complete tour so you can really get an understanding, maybe show that to your contractor. Because if you are one of those people who's out in California, you're probably a little busy right now. You might not have time to fly out to Cleveland. You got fires to fight. So you want to get all that information right now up front, and then you could submit the offer.
All right, 16217 Walden. Vince and Derek said they did the outside of this already.
Get my bolt cutters. Cut that thing off.
This dude thinks he's strong, thinks he can just cut bolts off. Alright, starting. Hello, anybody here? Very vacant, very demure. I'm trying to bust my ass on these steps. Alright, what the hell? Speaker sticking out the wall, that's different.
How's it looking?
Gross.
Lights are on, or did you turn those on?
No, I think they were just on.
Really?
Yeah. Furnace. I don't think anybody's been here in quite some time though. Except for raccoons. Ceilings coming down in here. What the fuck? Fucking electric panels in the toilet? There's tight quarters in here, guys. Let's just see what we're working with here. Yeah. There we go. There's like some paperwork here. It's tight. Tight quarters. Box of VHSs. Pencil sharpener. All your pencil sharpening needs. What'd you find something?
Literally fucked.
Bunch of vinyls and shit. A full pool table. I think that's a TV back there, a big screen TV. Oh, I need to cut that. Derek just throwing shit around.
Fuck it. Wait till you see the living room, dude.
Best shape I've ever seen a living room.
Oh, dude, it's a pretty good one.
Go ahead, you got it. Oh,
Ceiling might have caved in a little bit.
kitchen area. Brand new dishwasher. Dining room area. Wow.
See?
Yeah.
So it's all pretty fucked.
That's a problem.
Lots of fucking pool sticks for a place that doesn't have a pool table.
It does, it's in the basement.
That would make sense.
That's a cool ass fixture.
Lights are upstairs too. Fuck, why don't we have this at shaking? God damn it.
I don't know.
Should've came here first.
Here's the living room in the back. We wouldn't have known we needed it.
There's like a little vestibule area up right I went around that way. So this is active leaking.
It's frozen.
Active leaking.
Don't leave that in. Bro, you seriously have me come out here to film this? It's not even a whole fucking
Go
room.
out there and investigate. I just knew there was
Not even a whole fucking room.
Yeah, well, now it's the video.
I had to go through the frozen. Look at this. The fucking.
Fuck, dude.
The floor is completely frozen solid.
I got damn ice rink. You got attic access up here.
Yeah, I'm not going up there, dude.
I don't think either.
That shit's fucking. That's gonna be dangerous as hell. I would have been here a long time. Cool. It's the bathroom. Need some. Might need some upgrading. Maybe. Wonder why these people left.
I thought it was an eviction.
You don't think it had anything to do with the fact that there's ceilings in the living room floor?
Well, maybe if they paid their rent.
You do something with that. You just put that in a liner.
No, this looks like an eviction. And then they just left it vacant for fucking a couple of years.
Yeah, but all the shit's still in here. Like eviction, you gotta take almost all this shit out in this
Yeah,
area.
that's a good point. Maybe they left before the bailiff showed up.
They still make you put all of it on the tree lawn.
Oh yeah, so the person can access it.
That's the back door.
Yeah, in the bedroom, that's what you want to see. We'll go out and maybe do just a rear shot.
You guys did an outside shower, right?
Yeah, I kind of was. I'm gonna go back there just to get my own eyes because it was fucked up. Also, the house next door like burnt to shit.
Yeah, Vince said he filmed all that too. It was nice. Oh shit, there's like a.
That's you'll see the attic access I'm talking about, bro.
The fuck, dude? I'll go in there in a second. Yeah. I mean, you can access the attic from the living room. Jesus. Alright. And then this room. Fucking freezing in here. Broke ass phones and shit in here. Alright. That's good. That's good. That's real good. Alright. What the hell is this? There's a Maury card. Get the fuck out. hallway then. Minus the roof repairs and shit, this place is in pretty good shape. No heat on now. I'm surprised that like no pipes burst or nothing around here. It's been
This could be a lot worse.
it's been really chilly the last few days. So whatever the fuck that is. Crazy. It's crazy, dude. They just like left all their shit.
Isn't it? It's so weird when people just up and leave.
Like,
The thing is, if they were like behind on rent and left, or you never know, this could be a slumlord.
Could've
They
been.
don't fix anything. I'm fucking leaving.
Well,
But
like-
either way, when they leave like this, they leave everything, and it's like you got to buy a whole new set of beds, couches, like.
is there cash in there?
It's called fucking library cards and bullshit. I wonder what's in there.
Fucking Jack.
It's also weird that there's a door that leads right into a bedroom.
Yo, I'm glad I didn't like stick my hand in there. There's fucking needles and shit all up there.
Generally want to avoid that.
Generally want to avoid the needles.
I don't think there's anything of value in here.
Yeah, no, that's not what I was looking for. I was just kind of seeing like there's nothing that like says
Why they're not?
why they left.
Yeah, I don't know.
Oh, dude, scratch offs.
Already scratched off?
Yeah. Yeah, dude, I'm confused as hell. This is like everything. Like every drawer's got shit in it.
Yeah, I don't know. They left in a hurry.
Yeah. Air pumps, watches, DVDs, all kinds of shit. It's weird when you walk into a place like this and then you're just like,
I know. I looked at it and I was like,
what are the signs that there would be?
it looks like it's occupied.
Yeah.
And I saw the ceiling and I was like, well,
Yeah, right? No way.
perhaps not. The fuck is this?
So this is the steps for that bunk bed. For this bunk bed right here. So like,
It's a dope ass bunk bed, dude.
for real, if you bought this place, like, that's a pretty solid bunk bed.
Man, when I was a kid, I'd kill for that bunk bed.
Yeah, dude, there's like fucking people's essays and shit in here. Fucking wild. Alright.
I wonder when's the last time anyone was like actually here, though. You know?
Yeah, that's always the like. It's been a while because look at the floor, dude. Nobody's coming in here for anything.
yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, God, I don't fucking know. Alright.
Alright, well, good on us.
Oh, it looks.
Creepy doll. Out.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to HoltonWise TV for more financial information, education, and entertainment.